Others won't be able to understand how he was able to do it, just like them. Because their parents set them up and for success. And they say, oh wow, they would have never thought that this kid, the baseball player, the football player, the veterinarian, because that's how he'll be labeled, was also some kid that invested in himself.
Yep.
That's why. So that's why free.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter, the age. I mean, he's 18. He just turned 18 this year. I mean, if not for you, then for the next you.
Yes, sir.
Right, for the free workshop. That's why we have them during the day. We know people in school. We know people at work. If you can get away at lunch, that's good. If not, we got them at night also.
Yep.
Right, and then we do the free the meetup.
Yep.
Every month, where we always have an educational component.
Right.
We always, introduce you to the different people that we know in the industry, kind of let you in on like our network of industry professionals. And that's the fourth Thursday of every month. So it has, there are many opportunities. It made me a little upset, but it was more so heartbreaking when you and I, after the last show last week, we went to the barbershop and I was like, hey, did y'all tune in and did y'all listen? And one barber was like, man, he didn't want to turn to it. He thought it was like a gospel station.
Yeah.
I was like, but you knew what it was. Like, why, you know what I'm saying? So to sit when there's so many opportunities, it's okay to, everybody is, a wise man once told me, everybody is where they want to be.
That's right.
Right. And so if that's the case, that is perfectly fine.
Yep.
But if you're striving from what are you doing to take the next step to get to really where you want to be, it can't be I'm not tuning in because I thought that was like a gospel station.
Well, I mean, but that goes to something we talk about all the time. Why complain about something you're not willing to do anything about? And that's what he was doing. Because that same barber will be the one guy to say, I'm upset about why I'm in this position. Why am I standing here paying this booth rent that's too high, but next week will come in and pay that same booth rent?
Right.
He won't stack enough money to not pay that booth rent and own that barbershop. So yeah, he'll sit here and say, hey man, I'm not turning to that station because I don't want to learn something. I'll make an excuse to not learn.
Right.
Especially when I can learn for free. Because last time I checked, to turn into a FM radio station, don't take nothing you can listen to somebody else's radio. You didn't have to buy a radio.
Not at all. Or stream it from your phone. Right?
Yep.
All right. Well, I'm Reggie Riley, Marcus Thomas, Capital Invest, DMV Investment Opportunities. We'll be right back.